Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create business certificate template design. Opening an A4 landscape document in Photoshop, choose a light texture background for depth and add a decorative border using shape for brushes. Place your organization logo at the top center. Write the title certificate of achievement in elegant font. Create placeholder fields for name, reasons and signature. Use gold and navy color combinations for prestige. Add diverse lines to separate text elements clarity. Include seal or watermark for ethnicity. Adjust shadows and highlights for realistic print feel. Align all text to maintain balance.